Colton derailment happened last Monday. This is Wednesday, so a weekend and a little bit more later. 1703 is standing up but is not on rails. Looks like the tracks to the old Colton yard are still closed. There's a flag in the middle of it. Next locomotive behind is on its vertical as opposed to laying on its side. 1554 looks done. They've drug it over. It's got a nasty bend in it. The boxcar I videoed being moved last week has been moved a little bit farther down from where I saw it last. Still piles of lumber. Someone said that the spot was cleaned up, but it doesn't look cleaned up. And they're still out here with equipment moving stuff around. Roads are still closed. You can't access anything to get a better look from the other direction. I'm going to try one more time on the far west side, see what I can see, but I can already tell most of the doors are closed, or most of the roads are closed. There's a train up on the flyover, but it's not moving. So let's see if we can see if I can find there's the flag showing that those tracks are closed. I think I spied a car back on the rails on the west side, so we'll go take a look over there. Well, I'm on the west side of the derailment. Still cleaning things up. You see the back of the engines and one car. Lots of lumber still on the right of way. And here you've got a couple flags. Got one says there's a derail here. Yeah. And then we have the other flag saying don't come this way. And here's the one surviving car that's still on the tracks. Got a nasty bend on it. Brake wheel shot. And it's just at the switch, or actually it's a crossover from the north track over to this track. North track would go into BNSF Main. Still intact. I'll get the car number over there in a moment. A couple of chocks on the tire to make sure it doesn't roll away. Track's still a mess. See if I can get a better angle on that. The surviving train car's number is TTZX 862442. Load of lumber from Roseburg, where Roseburg is. There's a view west toward Colton. Train still up on the bypass. Panning around to crews working on the railroad. Looks like rails end about where that guy's sitting right now. They're digging up everything, putting everything back together. So this lead to the old Colton yard is still out of order. They've got a car here. You still have engines. I got a kick out of the one engine. Still has the strobe lights going on it, even though it's been out of service and off the tracks for a few days. So here's your latest update from Colton train derailment. Tracks are not open yet. One surviving car. And signals are still red down there.